Right. Asiqhubeke futhi into esibhizi ngayo njengamanje we are doing lokho esikubiza ngokuthi application. Senza umsebenzi based kuma theorems ekade siwafunda aka grade 11. Ungakhohlwa ke ukuthi bashilo vele bathi umsebenzi wakwa grade 8, 9 and 10 can be used, uyakwazi ukusetshenziswa as reasons of what we are saying. Kodwa mina ngiyolokhu ngisho njalo ngithi kuwena khumbula as much as you can. Remember kakhulu umsebenzi osufundile, ukhumbula in terms of ngokwama theorems, hayi ngoba uwacremile kepha ngoba evuselelwa kuwe isithombo sokusibona, evuselelwa kuwe istatement osuke usinikeziwe. Konke lokho should raise, konke lokho should kumele kuvuselele ukuthi lezi zinto ngake ngayibona futhi ngake ngezwa ngafunda ngazo. So ileyo nto ke siyenzayo nalapha. Nansi ke enye i-diagram nayo yayilungiselelwe ukuprepare abatwana ukuthi babhali i-exam yabo ka 2016. But kakusho lutho ukuthi njengamanje u20 bani. The theorem itself still stands even today. And there is no other way. Ayikho enye indlela ukuthi liyoke lishintshe leli theorem libizwe ngokunye. Ukuprove kwalo nokusetshenziswa kwalo kuyo remain kunjalo. If this is a tangent was a tangent also go 2016, even today still remain a tangent. Umsebenzi owawenziwa i-tangent ngo 2016 kuseyiwona namanje. Umsebenzi owawenziwa i-center, owawenziwa i-diameter, owawenziwa ikhodo ngalo wanyaka be developer lento namhlanje kusefana. Therefore ungamangazwa wena ukuthi how why uthisha azongifundisa noma azongrevisisa ngomsebenzi ka 2016. Lento yefana phela. Akukho lathina ingane zami ekesiqale khona imoto entsha. Cha. Uyibona ihamba nje imoto zi-improve kuyimoto zokuqala. Uyibona ihamba nje imoto kufike kuthiwe okay imoto yokuqala yayi ikhipha upetrol noma ifaka upetrol engineini ukuze ushe through the carburetor. But now it's no more carburetor, it's injection. Ayitho ayibona lonto. Imoto zokuqala had what we call tappets. And today we do not have tappets, but we have hydraulics tappets. Ayisetha wona uqala esethwa mawungawasethanga kahle akwephulela ama valves imoto and so on and so on. So we are improving. Always the theorem will remain as the foundation. Liyohlala njalo likhona njenge foundation limi njengoba linjalo ukuthi imoto ukuzidume idinga upetrol, idinga umlilo ozosha ngaphakathi engineini. Mawususha lo mlilo ucreate combustion. Mangithi combustion ucreate ipressure leqhamuka ngemuva isintuthu. Kangangoba kube ayikho leyo mbobo yokukhipha leyo ntuthu ivaleleka ngaphakathi engineini, injini izoqhuma. Ingakho kubona kunane bomb. Ibomb idalwa yilokho. Otherwise ukubi ibomb yayibhotshoziwe eceleni wawuyoyiphosa amaqede instead ukuthi iqhume but idedele the pressure on the side igcina ingaqhumanga. Ake sibukeke ngakho esinikeziwe. Here is a diagram esiyinikeziwe. Inezinto eziningi. Ine tangent, inama chords, ine diameter, ine radius, inama angles esiwanikeziwe, inama triangles in between kanye ne quad in between. remember ke zonke izinto ebengithe asoyikhumbula ngalama figure angiseze kulokho ngibuyela njalo kuzona kepha ngizoyi-highlight ukuthi zona isuke zikhona la. Right, nakho ke esikwenzayo we are determining or calculating the sizes of these angles, but given or giving the reasons why do we say so. Right, E2 angle E2 kuthiwa sowuthola ukuthi ungakanani. Now E2 E1 lo E2 lo E3 lo E4 lo E5 lo yini lama angles wonke abizwe ngo E ngoba ase pointini elu E, lawana abizwa ngo B1 2 3 ngoba ase pointini elu B. La ku C le yodwa siyibiza ngo C, na ku F yodwa siyibiza ngo F. Remember, an angle is a space between lines sharing common vertex. Right, asitholeke usize ka E2 asibukeke ukuthi E2 siwuthola kanjani. Angithi thina sino lo line lo osuka la, leli point lethu kufanele libe negama, igama lakhona uD. Ipoint lethu linegama, igama lakhona uD. Right, uline usuka ku D uya ku B udlula ku O. So ulayini owudweba from to inside with the circle passing through the center, we call it a diameter. Right, lo line ke oluhlaza, the green line of ours lo iwona oyi diameter. Oh, mawi diameter usuyangikhumbuza ukuthi the diameter will always make an angle of 90 degrees on the semicircle. I-diameter iyokwenza i-angle ewuna, okusho ukuthini lento ichaza ukuthi uma mina ngine circle bese ngiba ne diameter, i-diameter yethu ku BD, lo line busudlula e-center, i-center yethu ku O. Uma lo line uyi-diameter, uma nje lo line uke wa support angle on or at the circumference le u-90 degrees lo, nale u-90 degrees lo, nale u-90. Angikhathali ukuthi mangaki, kodwa ngoba wonke 1 2 3 ngisho ungawenza be-100, kodwa ngoba wonke ancike kulo line, azimelele kulo line, wonke ayoba o-90 degrees because i-diameter iwakha kuphi? On the semicircle. Iwakha on the circumference of the semicircle. Athi siyayizwa lonto. So uma kunjalo ke le i-90 degrees, asibuyeke size la. Uyabona yini ukuthi ngisuka ku B ngiza ku E kwi circumference bese ngibuyela ku D ngempela bancike kulo line oluhlaza. So u2 kanye no3 ba u90 degrees mangibahlanganisa. Ngithi siyabona, kodwa u3 wami ngiyawazi, u3 wami ngiyawazi u56. Therefore u-E2 wami, E2 uzolingana no90 le yonke, kodwa ngisusa bani u56 degrees, kusale bani u4 34 degrees. Kusho ukuthi E2 wami lo okuthiwa nguthole ubani u34 degrees. Sengiyahamba ke ngiyobhala. My E2 is 34 degrees. Sengiyicalculate la. Angithi siyabona? Sengibhala isizathu. Supported, subtended by the diameter on the semicircle. Noma ungathi angle on the semicircle. Umuntu ofunda mathematics uyayazi leyo nto engiyishoyo ukuthi an angle on the semicircle is 90 degrees. Ungasho ke wena subtended, supported, or angles or angle at the semicircle. So naso isizathu sami sengiyasibhala. When ungasho ukuthi supported or subtended or an angle on the semicircle. Into ongayisho le wena ungasho lokhu ukuthi it's because le angle le angithi usubhalele calculation la kodwa ngoba u2 marks I-calculation asiyidingi kangaka kodwa ungayibhala nayo when uzothi E2 is 90 minus 56 busubhala lento supported, subtended, or an angle on the semicircle. Ubhala kodwa kwalezi zinto. Ubhala kodwa kwalezi zinto. An angle on the semicircle. U90 low. Angithi minus 50 kusala E2. I-calculation yakho lo 34. Anjabona? So this kumuntu ofundise I-mathematics knows exactly ukuthi usuke wena uthini kuyena ngoba uthi le angle le yonke ikhamkala iziyofika lapha i-90 degrees because yakhiwe i-diameter on the semicircle kodwa ku-90 ngisusale kusala u-34 le u-34 le u-34 siyayizwa leyo nto u-34 le sesiqedileke ngayo i-34 injalo sedlulela phambili usutholile u2 marks wakho masifika la umbuzo wethu uthi asicalculate uEBC okusho ukuthi yonke leya 1 2 3 iubani 1 2 3 iubani thiwa sicalculate leya ngizokukhombisa ukuthi siyicalculate kanjani uyabona nje asiqale ngo B2 angle B2 wethu is equals to 32 degrees le u32 le ngoba ilingana ne-angle between a tangent and a chord. Tan-chord theorem. Tan-chord theorem. Sesiyasibhala ke sizathu sethu. Sala. Tan-chord theorem. So sesiyayazi le ukuthi iu32. Sesiyazi ke leyana ukuthi u32 angithi thina sifuna ukuthola yonke le sesiyazi ke yona ukuthi iu32 bese sibuka njoba iu32 le iubani le u-E2 u-34 athi yabona 34 plus 56 34 plus 56 u-90 90 plus 32 sesimazi ku-B2 wethu ukuthi u-32 u-32 lo esiwuthole ngokuthi city sum of angles. Okay, in fact lo 32 siwuthole ngokuthi it's a tan chord equals to, right? It's tan chord theorem. Mase siwazi ku B2 wethu ukuthi u32 sekufanele sithole u-E2. U-E2 bese sivele siwutholile u34, which is 90 because of an angle on the semicircle minus 56, low about 34. So but u-E2 wethu lapha phezulu lo oyilo uyalingana no B3. Uyalingana no B3. I-reason yalokho supported by arc DC. Supported by an arc DC. Yile arc eyakha lapha u34 iphinde yakha u34 phezulu. Therefore both are equals to 34 degrees. Therefore lento ke isiyasitshela ukuthi u-EBC wethu, our EBC wethu is equals to 32 and 34, which is 66 degrees. 66 degrees. Bese sizothola u-F, kuthiwa sithola u-F. Kodwa before sifike u-F ufanele sithole lo, ngoba lo usubtendwe i-chord efanayo nalo. Okay? So lo u90, lo u32, which gives us 122. 122 minus 180 kusinikeza u58. So for this one, for F, D is equals to C, both equals to 58 degrees. Isizathu salokho, it's called BE. Chord BE. Yile chord eba subtender bobabili. Kanti lo yena simthola from the sum of the angles of a triangle. But because ku 2 marks okwethu ukuthi fanele sibatshele ukuthi lo uyalingana nalo, bese sishaya quick calculations ukuthi u90 plus lower from 180 kusala le ibisilingana nale. Bese sithi therefore lokho sekusinikeza i-conclusion ezothi therefore u-angle C lo manguhlanganisa no angle F lower ya kumele na kanjani ngithola 180 degrees. Why? Opposite angles of cyclic quad. Opposite angles of a cyclic quad. Therefore UF weight. Therefore UF is equals to 180 minus C, which is 58. It's 122 degrees. This is our answer, and this is our answer, and that one is another one, and that one is another one. So sesiqedile lesi sibalo with the calculations, with the reasons, with the diagram, the figure, interpreting the figure in relation to i-theorem. Bese masichaza lokhu sibe sibuka i-theorem ukuthi yona isitshela ukuthini, bese lokhu kusikhumbuzisa ama-theorem wonke sesiwafundile. Buka i-theorem le, angles supported or subtended by a diameter on a semicircle are equal to 90. Wona salelele. Le iqhamuka ku tan chord theorem. An angle between a tangent and a chord is equals to an angle made by this chord on the alternating segment. From that one saphuma nale angle EBC ukuthi u66. Sazothi uD no C ba ama angles alingana no 58. Nakho kuqhamuka kwi-chord ethile because it is that chord which subtend them. If this chord subtends 1, uma le chord support oyedwa o58 ibuyi support lo esingamazi nalo esingamazi nayo o58, and therefore lo bekuthiwa siuthole u122. So those are our calculations and the interpretation of the diagram kanye nencazelo, the statements or the information that was given to us. Sizoqhubeka futhi siye kwamanye ama problems. Ngizokwenza eyodwa manje which is, I will say it's more intense. Ithe uba nemsebenzi nomningana bese ngikhipha enye eyisizokwenziwa yinina ke manje, ngoba uyabona ukuthi each isithombe sifika kuso ne-information esinawo akusikhumbuze ezinye izinto, kepha kusikhumbuza ama-theorem. Indaba yokubala incane kakhulu, ukubala kwethu kuncane kakhulu ngoba vele sithi lokhu kulingana nalokho i-theorem yasitshela, lokhu kulingana nalokho i-theorem yasitshela.